In studying imposter syndrome, I find that there's always so much that we can learn from nature as it regards to knowing our intrinsic value, void of anything else. Nature operates in all the vast and various and complex and beautiful roles that it does without inhibition, without questioning whether or not it is or is not enough in that space. It knows that it always is. We're no different from nature. In fact, we are nature. So nature reminds us that we are intrinsically viable to our core, that when living, that you and your creativity are enough.